on the mic, winds flapping lyrically, batting off over fly winds of high sky. The cathedral, tent, spits of cave darkness, stars, stalactites, stalagmites. The eerie town of interstellar lights, the ecclesiastical churches of the featherback, words hat, the tech drive, driving us in crow like an ocean set sun, the one, deodorant can like a span of close blight. The drive from the iron pole, reading ball, from miles of eight like a pirate and lake. My top 7 starter zone, a phone, hello, the network nodes and the matrix show. Couldn't drop like an elevator, the crater of the doom, moon soon, looking at a bomb, the soul platoon. Fuck poetry, lyrics